Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD cards into the VIVO V29 tool to open the slot. Remove the case and locate the slot on the side. Insert the tool into the hole and press lightly to pop the tray out. This tray supports 2 SIM cards, no SD card slot. One side has SIM 1 and the other has SIM 2. Insert the SIM card and push the tray back into the device. The device will prompt for the SIM pin code, confirming the card is detected. Enter the PIN code. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.